Level 1 is that. Today let's talk about hierarchies of organisms. So this lesson tells you about the levels of organisms. You know, organism is the biggest. So if you look at an animal, you will know what is a level of that. So the maximum level is of course organism. So it's a cell. So what we look at in organism is like to cell to organism. So to one tiny pixel cell like here to a whole body. So need to go a lot of cells, and just for the fact that people have 30 trillion cells. So you know 30 trillion you can count for your whole lifetime and you would not finish. So let's continue. So first level we're going to talk about is cells, because it's the smallest, you know. So cell is just a simple basic unit of life. So there's a different cell that do different job for the organism, but some organisms contain one cell and some others contain multiple cells, multi-cell. Like us are multi-cells. So next is there's a lot of cells merged together, like a lot of cell merged together, we will get tissues. So tissue is a group of similar cells working together to perform a specific job in the body. So it's like, okay, that's like cell, blood cell, blood. There's a lot of blood going through your hand. You might already see it. Like usually your hand, you will see a lot of it. Like to my hand, you know. You see the blood cell, a lot of blood cell, like tissue working. It is tissue, like a lot of cells. So a lot of tissue will go to, tissue will go to organ. So organ is a structure that composed of two or more different types of tissue that work together to perform specific job. So tissue, like here, there's different part of my hand, right? If you want to talk about feet, you can talk about feet. What's this again? I don't remember, but there's a lot of pieces in my hand, like a lot of tissue that work in my hand. Like the hand is already made of cell, it's a single cell membranes, and then inside is blood cell and muscular cell, and a lot of different cells working together to make tissue, and a lot of tissue make organ. And not organ, like my hand is an organ, right? In which into my torso, my head, and other different parts, and will make a organ system. Organ system is nearly all body. So it's like my hand, right? So it's a lot of organ, like different part here, and then it's mixed together, and then make organ system. And you know, organ system is just a group of organs working together to perform complex function necessary for the surviving of the organism. And it will mix all body together, or we get an organism. That's the final one because it's the biggest one that we can get. Organism. Right here, organism. So organism is also a living thing that carry out all of life function. So you think your body is just a body that working like blood, muscular. No, like you need to work a lot, and there's many different cell, the nucleus that have DNA inside. DNA make messenger RNA copy, and then make inside, and work with ribosome to make tag chain that make protein. So there's a lot of things working in your body, and you might know you might need to like remind that because thank you, man. You know, that's all I'm talking about. Enjoy. Bye. See you next time.